Hello there. Today I'm going to do a full review of this mountain bike. It's called the 2024 new Mamba Double Strike version 2 E-mountain bike. Originally, this one is the fat tire, but because I use this one for traveling between home and work, which is mainly on road, so I require them to change the fat tire to the standard one, which is the it's much thinner. Overall, I like the shape. It looks really nice. With the battery is accommodated within the frame. It's in here. I show you the photo. Here's the battery. You push it up and it's contained in the down frame, which looks really nice. And this battery power for the front light and also the rear light, which is really good. It's nice and bright underneath the seat. Okay, going back to this bicycle, it's got the front fork is the also it's got suspension here, and it is a Taiwanese Sun Tour. Originally this one is a Japan brand, but this one is made in Taiwan. And the rear fork, which is this one here, it is a coil spring, and it is made in Taiwan also. As you can see, when the rear wheel got shock, it then pushed this coil spring down to absorb the shock. Okay, so it doesn't affect the seating here, so the shock is absorbed here. Okay, talking about the rear one, which is this one. It's got 8-speed gear, and also the shifter. This one is also Shimano Altus, and it's protected by this little square here, which is good. The motor, the motor is the Ba Fang one, which is a Chinese made 500 watts to 750 watts, which is really strong. All right. I think that's about it. No, one more is the crankset. The crankset, it doesn't have any, it doesn't engrave any brand on it, so I don't know where it is made. Now the motor, you can see here, it's got a sensor here. When the pedal is pressed, it will kick in the motor and start to assist pedaling. Okay. This one, this ring here is made by metal, and it's protecting the chain ring, which is really good. Okay, yeah, that's it. I'll give you some fact about the speed when I test ride it. Okay, on the flat road, with assist level 4, it can travel to easily to 27 kilometers per hour, which is really good. Going up the hill, I ride up the Constitution Hill, which is very steep, and the angle is around 15 degrees, and it's a long hill, and with the assist level 5 I can pedal easily, and the speed is about 25 per hour, very easily pedal. Okay, and going down the hill, of course, no pedaling. It can get the maximum speed is 43 kilometers per hour. Now come to the pro and con of this one. The pro, it's first it's got the very strong rear hub motor. Yeah, this rear hub motor very strong, and helping me to pedal along at ease. No need to put in power. The second pro is the battery is integrated into the whole frame, and which makes the bicycle looks really nice and elegant. Okay, now come to the cons. There are a few issues here with this one. First, talk about the control panel. I show you where the control panel is. This one, you see the sign plus and minus here is used to increase or decrease the assist level. To me, it's a bit hard to find while I was riding. I would prefer this control be on the top, so easy to see and easy to press. That's the first thing. Now talking about the chain guard, which is this one here. You can see the ring, this ring here, it covers the chain. However, on the other side, I show you, on the other side of the chain ring, there is no protection, and the pen can easily get into here and get the dirt or the grease from the chain. So to me, this chain guard does not perform its function, which is protecting the pen of the rider. Secondly, the mud guard. Talking about mud guard, this is the front mud guard. It covers from here to here, which can protect the mud from here, but if you turn, then the mud can still get to the battery here. And on a wet road, as you ride along, all the mud and water will spray forward and up, but your bicycle going forward, so it will catch some water and mud. So this one, the front mud guard, to me does not perform its function. Same as the rear one, it covers only the top, and where as you ride on wet road, the mud go here and into the back of the rider. As you can see here, the mud get all over the back. That's the con number 3. Now the con number 4 is about the welding mark. As you can see, the welding mark leave the marks very clearly, and apparently it doesn't look good to me. And it's not very professional. This one is very low quality welding. Compared to other brand like the Cube I show you. On the Cube e-bike, see this one, the welding is very smooth, and that is top class welding. The Mamba welding doesn't get any near the quality of the welding in compared to the German made. The number 5 cons, which is my personal view, it's about the steering handle. Overall of this bicycle, the color is black. The handlebar is also black, but this brake lever is silver, which is odd to me. I would prefer this one is black also. Number 6, it's about the battery socket. This one here, this is where you you plug in the power cord. This one, to me, it's very hard to plug in because it's small and doesn't help me to find this socket easily. So I have to make a mark here and a mark on the plug itself just to align it. So this one, maybe in future they can think about a way to easily insert or plug the power cord in. And lastly, to me, it's the advantage of this one, but unfortunately it's also a disadvantage. This hub motor, the Bafang, is very strong, and it can assist very well to the rider. However, because it's too strong and you can easily pedal along and get the speed up to more than 30 kilometers per hour, which does not conform with the Australian law. And some insurer refuse to take insurance for this one because it doesn't conform with Australian law. Okay, Australian law, which is 25 kilometers per hour. This one is way above. You can pedal hard and it can get to 40 kilometers per hour on flat road with assist level 5. So this is the pro, but also the con. That's it for me to conclude about the the pro and the con, the good and the bad of this e-bike. Talking about the value, it's the whole e-bike costs 2,800, which is very good value because it looks good, and it's got the double suspension, right? But because the price is good, so the quality is has to be compromised. This I'm talking about the part. The motor is a Chinese made. It's not a European made. Well-known brand like the Mali or the Heinzmann of Germany. So if you have the same one, but made in Europe, like this one here, the Estelle Elegance, this one costs about 2,400 pounds, which is about 5,000 Aussie. The other one, as I show you, is only 2,800, and it's got some Chinese made parts, so that's fair enough. Yep, so that concludes my review. Thank you very much for watching, and bye for now.